Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all. I greet everybody in the house. You are welcome once again in my TV. Please, if you know you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Give the video thumbs up and press the notification bell. In case anytime I upload new video, you'll be the first person to notify. On our way down, my people. This evening, get my time carry me come. And matter I carry me come this evening. And this matter I carry me come. Think less of other. I know so now go ask me why. Think less of other person. It may be your friend, it may be your family, it may be anyone. Always think of yourself first. Think of your family first. Think less of them. Because I may say this person is my friend. I bring up my heart to follow this person as my friend. Or this person is my sister. I bring up my heart to follow this person as my sister. The way I think that this person is my friend, let me use my church mind to follow this person. That person might not think like that. You might take that person as your friend and you like to tell that person the truth. Or you might take this person as a sister, your best sister or your best brother or whatever. You might like to tell the person the truth. But the person might not take you as your own best friend or your own best sister or whatever. It might not take you. Then you will be bothering about this person. You will be worrying yourself about this person. You would like to show this person love. Like to put this person first in anything you are doing. You would like to put this person first. Because you know why? In your hearts, you so much love the person. Without knowing that the person you are dying for, or you are talking of, or you are thinking of, or you want to protect in one way or the other, or you so much love, that person don't even think of you one day. He doesn't even care of you the way you think of that person. Understand? See, money is not everything. I always tell people that. Money is not everything. There is something that a friend will do for you, or a brother may do for you, will do for you. You don't have money, but you will value that thing more than who give you money. But these days, people don't take it like that. People don't take it like that. Only who they call their friend, their best friend, is when they know that they can benefit something. Or my relative, my brother, my sister, when they know that they can benefit something from you. If they see that they cannot benefit anything, they don't think of you. You are only killing yourself, bothering about yourself for nothing, for no reason. For no reason. So talk less of others. Don't allow their matter to weigh you down. Don't allow their matter to rule you down. No. Because they are not thinking of you. Honestly. Let's call a spade here. They are not thinking of you. How will you know? By the time you involve yourself into a problem, or in one way or the other, that is when you know that I call this person my friend, oh. I call this person my relative, oh. Or I call this person so. Look at the way he responded to you. Look at the way he leave you inside that problem without even asking you how far. If you were to be you, or if you were to be me, I will be bothering about the person. I will be bothering about the person. No. People think that money is everything. These days, they don't value. It's only waiting the one get for your hand. What they want to benefit from you, that is what they value. You might say this person is my friend. You will be the person that will be calling the person. How are you? How is your family? How is this? How is that? Sometimes, most of them will see your call. They won't even pick your call. Their phone will ring. You call them more than 10 times, more than 5 times. You say, okay, let's assume that this person is not there. Maybe when he comes back, or when he sees the missed call, he will flash me or he will send me a message. They will not bother about you. So stop bothering about them. Stop bothering about them because they are not bothered about you. They will not return that call. They will not call you back that I see your missed call. I was not there. You will wait 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. Let me see if this person will call you back. You will still be the person because you are the one thinking of the person, of the welfare of the person, everything about the person, because in your heart, you love that person. You think that that person is your friend or is your relative. But within that person, you are nobody to him or to her. You are nobody. So I come to realize something within me. Why will I be bothering of somebody when I know that they don't bother of me? They don't think of me. So this is the time that we all start thinking like this. See, who call you person, call a person. That is life. Who show you love, show and love. That is life. It's not because he's looking for what is in your hand or anything. Good name is better than riches. Good name is better than riches. When you see somebody there around you, how you there now? How your family? He want know about you. He want call you to see. This person, it has been long I hear from this person. Oh, let me see whether this person they fine or they okay. You only be the one to ask, to call, because maybe they will feel that you have nothing doing. That is why you have their time calling them. It's not good. Who call you person? Call that person. Call us person too. Who show you love? Show and love. Who call you? You still call her, how you dey? It is a girl waiting they fight for her and now make her they call you. He want just greet you. That is just the love. Money is not everything, my people. You will use your mind, your church mind, straightforward to dey follow a friend or a sister or a brother. They will be doing like this. No, now. Oh, my people. No. No. No, now. It's not good. Why not going to behave like this? Okay, when you was okay, let me just stay like 1 week or 2 weeks, or let me see if this person will return my call. He will not return your call. Forget them. Then you start to think in your brain, is this person really my friend? Or is this person really my relative? Maybe it's okay as who get good mind. Let me still call. But I'll be calling you since all this day. You don't even bother to call me back. It will give you one story or the other. One story or the other. That is to show that it's not your friend or it's not your close person. Know who you call your friend and know who you call your close person. Because what I believe that if you call somebody your friend, you cannot stay like 1 month you didn't hear from that person. It's not that you didn't have the person number. Is that your friend? When 1 month, what if something is wrong with that person? 1 month you didn't hear of that person. Say, my friend, you there now. I hope you do okay. I hope you do fine. I also make I still hear from you today. You know, but it's only that person that is scared. What did they make on the ratio that? What thing they make on the ratio that? Why? You see what they ask of you, you're not happy. This life, now vice versa. This life not a straight finish. Wanna get up on our heads. It might be say maybe in a little thing when you get, Now they make you they do like this or one thing or one thing. See, not be only money person they find person. Not be only money you take they find person. Not be only money. Sometimes you need to talk to somebody. Now feel reluctance. Nothing they happen. I beg you, make you carry a call they go. Now only when they see say you get what they want come find for your hands. You see that time your phone go they ring like business line. Now then you tell no say as this one don't they come every minute, every seconds, something will happen. When you don't see that thing when they or when you don't give her the waiting they find or the solution when they find, or phone it don't finish. It don't finish. Call again. He not go even call you. Talk less of people. Not to the let person matter they bother you. Because they know they bother concerning your own matter. Me na one person before. I like to call friends. I like to call them. Even though they're not coming, I go call. How na they? I go greet. Sometimes I can't think you joke like say you want to make friend, but they don't want to make friend with you. Even though you not get what they do, you're there your ass relax. Who call you person? Call a person. Who asks of you? Ask of that person. Who call you? Call them. Money is not everything. Money is not everything. They say one day, get waiting, big man, go fight, go pour my hands. Pour my hands. Does it mean that big man not get money to buy everything? Get money to buy everything. But things not complete. It's not complete. It's not the complete finish. Even though now words of advice is you see collect for that poor man hands, you go later and go somewhere. Not be so, Not be so. Some go say I not get a recharge card. A lie. You don't get a recharge card, but you always they do online. But you always they see that person online. You know if you call a message call. You know if you call a WhatsApp call. You know if you drop message. How you die your family. The person go even drop message. You go even ignore. Sometimes you only just give thumbs up. You don't even bother. To show say you see him now. I send you. You not get work. Now I make you get my time. When I stop this thing, what they do? Nothing like you see somebody when they close to you. When always they, you with a talk, they confine you, sometimes they'll still laugh together. Many things to do together. Many things. Greeting alone is okay. Hearing for somebody alone, you know that the person cares. Una not they bother for who not they bother for na matter. Now me carry this matter come out today. Because this thing not too much. It's not too much. People do the raise shoulder. Now only there's a bit raise shoulder. If they show them love, you will be like say you not get work. If they show them love, care, not be only money be care. You know say people when they not see money for hand, they say this person not they care. If they see who ask you say you don't wake up, how you dey? Now care that person dey. Now care. Nti ale isonye gbatu no law. Ya ke gbozigolo. Who care for you when you not get? If you get, then you go see care for you. Who care for you when you not get? If you still get out for mind, say that person will still care for you. No, now. Now the matter now carry you. Wanna stop them. Me they let people they know say, wanna not let wetin friends they do the way on a down. wetin some friends, family, not be only friends, family na everywhere this thing dey. Even family dey there. Now when they need something for you, that period now they go dey call you. If that thing don't finish, they know they call again. They know they call, not be only friends. They know they call again. That spot when they need that thing, they will they call you, call you, call you. You self not go even get rest of mind. When they don't get that thing, when they call you for, you will be the first person to they call them again. After now, they'll say, I'll be so, eh? I'll be so. Find who find you. Care for who care for you. Caring is not all about money. Who care for you when you not get? If you get money, go see care for you. If you and person are not they close, one another get, not they close, not they communicate well. When you will come get, you will come carry your body near them. He go they remember say, when it's not them, if I they call this person, not they ignore me, if they feel as if I not they exist. You know how you go they feel that kind of thing now. When you go they call person, the house of person. You was like, you know the house of person. I know they get chance. You know get what they do. Even though you know they get chance, once in a while you will get chance. I know they get chance. You know good. Only when they need information for your mouth, they need something that will benefit them for your mouth, for your hands. That is that time they will be calling you bomba to bomba, bomba to bomba, bomba to bomba. By the time you give them that, if you they call them again, the phone will just dead there. Go they ring. They're not the pick. You was okay. Maybe they're not dead there. If they come back, they'll see the missed call, they will call back or they will drop message. Lie to lie. Forget them. Maybe after many days, after many weeks, you will call. I mean, they call you since all this day. You know they pick my call. What did happen? You will give you one story or the other. Because you don't see and say, that spot, you don't get what you want to get for your hand again. You don't get what you want to get for your hands. But now think less of anybody, relative or friend. Think of yourself first. Because their matter, it don't too much. When I know they let their matter, they weigh on her down. Or their matter, they bother on her. Because I know say all those things, person they feel pain. Yes, normally. You go feel pain. Why this person go they behave like this? Why be say I'm only the person when they always they ask of this person, they call of this person. You go say Monday till Sunday, you no get chance one day. Month to month, you no get chance one day. Or now only you get a charge card pass. No, now. No. It don't make sense. So me, I don't think, I don't reason now. I don't go to the border of person. But you will stay close to me, I will always stay close to that person. Because our people say, if this hand wash this hand, this hand wash this hand, now your hand they claim. If you they use your hand now, for instance, you they use only one hand, they wash like this. It no clean well. Like when you use two hands to wash them, it go clean. But if only you they show person love, they show person care, they ask of person. You see, say that person not they ask about you. You go one day you will just say that why be so me the ask of this person. No matter you good to show, you must think one day. Let me the ask of this person. Since 2 months I've been calling this person, never call me one day. I will wait like 1 week. I no hear from this person. How you doing now? Your family, how you know go call you. You go stop to the call. If now you they feed you, may not feed you again. If now you they feed you, make it not feed you again. Stop to the call. Wait till they happen. If now that person they feed you, make it not feed you again. It was okay, make you day 1 month, make you not call me, you see whether I will call you. For where you know call you. 2 months, you know will call you. By the time when you will call, I will still give story. I'm so busy. And means that you know they do anything now. I'm busy person. You don't get work. If you don't get work, you not go sleep for your house. You not go to sleep. When you not get work, you go just the sleep for your house. If you know say you not get work. As you not get work, now they feed you. That kind of person now say now he can't they feed you. Now he be say 100 years, you not go even pick your call again. If now they feed all those kind of people, you know say they get that. It gets some people and get that character. Not be everybody. Oh. This matter when they talk so. Not be everybody get that character. Get some people when get that I don't care about you. You get people when get that character. That kind of person dey your shoe self, eh? If he dey your shoe, you not go even pick your call. Get that for mind. You not go pick your call. You not go send you not go pick your call. You know, say they always they talk and say, who done good. No matter what. If you don't good, you get good mind, good heart. You don't already good. It's just natural. But that might say things of the world. This many things when they see nowadays, they make us they say, maybe you can't they change. You can't be like say the way people they do towards you. Maybe they're not going to say you na one kind thing. You can't they change. But the real person will be say yes, it don't good. The wickedness not they reach that level too much. You see, they might forget. Who don't good? People who don't get that bad attitude, that bad character, I don't care character. Forget to. They not send you, they not send you. They not get to, they go the road shoulder. If they can't get, nah, forget that thing though. Not reach their month. Not reach them. Because word won't go even come out for their mouth. You'll be like say they throw you bump. Word when you go tell yourself, you go sit down, you go the reason your life, say, have you fed a plan way for me before? Say you must tell me these words. If you had a plan, say he must tell me these words. And then get bad maths pass. Now then get bad words. They will just throw you once, it will be like boom. You say, God, I no expect and say this person go tell me this word when he tell me. You no go expect them. You will be like say you dey dream. You will find one way. Say, now dreaming they dream. Not be dream. Now reality. Now reality. If you get small, they go they follow. And they say that is not their hand again. Or wait that one benefit. They're not their hand again. Forget them. My people. Care for who care for you. Who near you, near them. Who send you, send them. Wickedness, no, they pay for life. Bad attitude, bad character, they know they pay for life. That not mean say the person they call you or the person they close to you. Or maybe one carry or a problem, carry am near you. No. At least when I be friends now, when I be relative now. This matter when I talk, I'm talking of friends and relative. I'm not talking of maybe outside person where you don't know. Because you don't know and you don't know. So you work up as, good money. Do you understand? You understand? That one are separate. But person will be say, yes, this person really dey close to me. I really know this person. We have been friends before. Now that mean they talk. You they call them again, not they pick your call. Not be say you do anything or you get issue with them or you quarrel with them. If you want even pick her once in a while, maybe when you don't call her. You know, you not go even say make you return your call self. Now once in a while, now you go take pick her. They call you since all this way, you know they pick me. What did they happen? You will give you one story or the other. Nothing. They avoid because you never see what you want fight for your hands. You never see what you want gain for your hands. You never see them. You never see what you want give for your hands. Eh? You never see what you want give for your hands. Some relatives still they do them. So I'm not talking of people when I don't know. I'm not talking of outside that maybe say you pass, money on a greet. You don't know before you don't know you for anywhere. I'm not talking of them. Person when they close to you, wanna try to stay close to that person. Now the matter I carry come. Who show you love? Try to show love. who dey bother of you, try to, still get that person feeling. That person will know say, the way they think of this person still dey think of me. Because me, I always dey talk as if you stay a month, you not call who you say you love, or who you say you be your friend. That one not be friend though. Let me say you take her as a friend, that person did not take you as a friend. I might take you as a friend, you not take me as a friend. So by their fruit we shall know them. By the way you dey respond my call, by the way you dey do your attitude, I'll call say, the way they follow this person not they follow me like this. So it's like this person, and they force myself give her. We not be friends though. We not be friends. Yes, we not be friends. Then you will come there, think another things. And so the matter reach my people. And the matter when I carry come this evening. Yeah? One love keep us together. Money is not everything. One love keep us together. I not come out anything for your body. You not come out anything. You not come out 1 naira for your pockets. Appreciation not come out come out for your pocket. Because by the time when you let person know say, you care for me and I care for you, that love go dey strong. That relationship go dey strong. That thing when that person be they do for you, go dey do more. But when you feel reluctance, I beg you, now that thing when you give me, now they make, I beg you. If you get more, you will not remember now. You will say, I feel give us more, no value. You feel reluctance as wait till you give me safe. When you get more, now you say you don't feel appreciate. And so you go still talk and say, get that plenty now. Not be small one you give me for once, you get that plenty. Life is not so. Because nobody knows tomorrow. A big way biningwa. Njale say big way biningwa. Do you understand? As far as we get children, we get family. You don't know where your children will carry tomorrow. So we will stop all these attitudes, We will stop all this character, what will they do, Nobody knows tomorrow, my people. Nobody at all knows tomorrow. That's why the thing they pay me, they bother me. I said today, I will carry this matter come out. Because I know that this thing they bother me, you go see get some people when they bother too. When we say they care for people, they will show some people love. They know they return that love back to them. They will say, I'm waiting to happen. So that is why me carry this topic come out today. Talk less of people. Talk less of them. Or think less of them. Anyhow, one put them. Think less of somebody. Think more of yourself. Nowadays. Because they are not thinking of you. Don't let their matter to weigh you down. Don't let their matter to weigh you down, because who you they die for, who you they think of, you they carry all a matter put for head. You know they carry your matter put for head. The word when you go even tell you go they think say, this person when they carry a matter put for head. Now tell me this word. That word go they pain you. Go pay you reach bone. You know, say that kind of one I pain pass. When you carry person matter put for head, by the time when you will show you one word when you not expect, for no reason, for nothing, that matter pain reach inside blood. When they think less of people, who think of you, who think good of you, think good of that person, who near you, near them, who say you want run for you, run for them, not be they feed you, and not be you they feed them. Run for them. Run for them. And so the matter be. I greet you now. My lovely people. May God bless you all in Jesus' name. May God bless you all. One love keep us together. More they shine, they go. Watch my video to the end. Subscribe to my video. Please. Give the video a thumbs up and drop your comment concerning this opinion. Anything what you think concerning this topic, drop your comment there. More they learn every day. More we know where each other for they make mistake. Now no say I always they talk am. Person know they no finish. Who come this lie saying no finish? A lie. Nobody they no finish, my people. I beg Mona follow me up. I they cook. I they do many things. Watch my video and follow me up. God bless you all. The hand when you say subscribe, that hand will never know poverty in Jesus' name. Bye for now. One love, keep us together. Keep us shining. The Lord is your strength, and the Lord will grant your heart desire, and He will fulfill everything you are looking for. Bye for now. Bye.